हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज यूपी पीएससी जीडीसी का एग्जाम हुआ है असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर। तो जीएस पेपर का आंसर देखते हैं। द डेफिनेशन ऑफ हेल्थ एज अ स्टेट ऑफ कंप्लीट फिजिकल, मेंटल एंड सोशल वेलबींग एंड नॉट merely the absence of disease and infirmity is given by WHO. Which of the following best explain the concept of sustainable development? Development that meets present need without harming future needs. Which of the following Indian festival has been included recently in UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage List? Deepavali. The cultural educational right in Indian Constitution is guaranteed by the following Article 29 and 30. Recent terminology used for the repayment of public debt, that is preferred to return of public debt. Which of the following is not correctly matched? The Indian University Act 1917 ये आया था आपका 1904. Which variety of coffee initially brought from Yemen is produced in India and is in great demand worldwide? Arabica. When and where did the first session of Indian National Congress take place and how many delegates participated in it? December 1885, Bombay 72 delegates. First Indian astronaut who visited International Space Station is Rakesh Sharma. How many members does the President of India nominate in Rajya Sabha? 12 members. 12. In the semi-arid region Rajasthan, what were the traditional underground tanks for storing drinking water called? Tankers. Bhagat Singh was the founding secretary of which of the following organization? Punjab Naujawan Bharat Sabha. 13 question. Which are not correctly paired? That is A74 constitutional amendment, center state relation. Which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect? Carbon dioxide. Where was UN climate summit COP30 held? Brazil. Which of the following academy was founded by the 9th century Abbasis Salif al Mamun, which undertook the ambitious project? Answer is Bait al Hikmah. The term microeconomics and macroeconomics were first coined by Ragnar Frisch in a certain code language is written as 21. इसका आंसर होगा 16. Next, in which region of the world are the highest number of volcanoes found? Circum-Pacific Belt. Consider the following statement with President Chief Justice of India is Justice Surikant. Yes, it is right. Second one was he is 53rd Chief Justice of India. So only one answer. Under which title has Dara Sikho translated 52 Upanishad into Persian language? Sire Akbar. The Viksit Bharat Gramji Rozgar Yojana, and answer is all of the above. 23rd, which constitutional authority determined disqualification of MP of Lok Sabha under the 10th schedule? Speaker of Lok Sabha. Next है 24th, when and where was the Guru Nanak Ji, the founder of Sikkim, was born? 1469, Talwandi. The first Indian woman to win Mrs. Universe crown, Sherry Singh in 2025. Who presented the nebular hypothesis? Laplace. Arrange the following Prime Minister of India chronological. That answer is 2, 1, 3. Sorry, D, option D, 1, 2, 4, 3. And 28, Khadar soil is more fertile than Bangar soil. Khadar is new alluvial soil which has a higher concentration of fine particles and less conquered nodule. Then answer is both are true and R is the correct explanation of A. When lead nitrate powder is heated in a boiling tube, then answer is nitrogen dioxide. Fill in the blanks. Answer is OA. Thank you.